بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Why do you think they're making such a noise about the Sudan? Why do you think they're making the noise? Because the potential oil, the Nile is there, the knowledge is there, the crossroads of Africa moving into the Arabian Peninsula is there, a society that could lead the Muslim world is there. They targeted different countries. Yemen, in North Yemen, they targeted the people called Barawa. Barawa people live on the east coast of Africa. And they are known to be people who are involved in knowledge and dawah and the spreading of Islam in East Africa. So they went to the Barawa people, they were having a problem, there's a big fight going on, problems in Somalia and that region. They went to them and they said, no problem, we'll give you a visa to America. You come to America, okay? And really, to a certain extent, it's good because at least it takes a person out of the line of fire. But when they got here and didn't have any institutions set up, the children become confused and get their attitudes. And if you don't have a madrasa, if you don't have a proper Islamic society to show an alternative, you're caught in a confusion. Some of our brothers went to Mauritania and they found a village in Mauritania where the people were scholars of Islam. And when they entered this village, it was like you hear the buzzing of bees because the Quran is being recited. Every house had a Hafiz of Quran.